You are welcome to Fortitude Shammah Crafts. Today we'll be learning how to use one stripe of Aso Oke to make bow gele, not headband gele, without sewing. If you are watching my video for the first time, please kindly subscribe. Turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates whenever we upload new video. To our returning subscribers, we appreciate you all. God bless you. We are learning two methods of making this bow gele. So I am going to tell you the two methods. The first one is to need the help of somebody in this form. It depends on how big you want the bow. So that will be the length of the space that will be in between the hands. So can you see? Make sure the bow gele is equal. Once it's equal, you are going to, can you see? Make sure it's equal. So the person will stretch his hand in this form. It depends on how wide you want it. So twist it under. Can you see it? I twist it once under. Then bring the front one. Bring it to the back in this form. Can you see it? Then bring it down and knot it. You tie it under. Tie it under. Make sure it's firm. Then remove it from the person's hand and adjust. Adjust it. So the bow is ready. The bow is ready. You can add appliques of your choice to the center. You can put stone to the sides to beautify it the more. So this is how it's going to be. This is the wrong side of it. So can you see it? So we are moving to the next method. If you don't have anybody to assist, you are going to use this second method. So this is the second method. Make sure you fold it into two on the right side. On the right side. So fold it into two. Let it be equal at the edge. So take your measuring tape and measure how big you want it, but don't let it be more than 7 inches so that you'll be able to, your client will be able to tie it on their head. So if you want it big, you can increase it to 7 inches, but 6 inches, I'll prefer 6 inches. 6 inches is okay. You measure 6 inches, chalk it out. Then on the other side, flip it over, measure 6 inches as well. So after measuring, you are going to hold it. You are going to hold that 6 inches. You fold it. Fold it on that 6 inches. Then flip it over. Flip it over. Make sure it's on that 6 inches so that both sides will be equal. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so to support us. So the next thing is to pin it down. Pin it down so that you'll be able to get equal measurement or equal size at both sides. So pin it down. Pin the other side down as well. So You are going to take the two handles, you twist it once, just twist it once, hold it and twist once. After twisting, you are going to flip it over. Flip it over, then bring one of the handle. You know this is the right side of the bow, so you are going to bring one of the handle backward again, the right side, so you have to adjust it very well. Don't let it be too squeezed. So bring it down to meet the second handle. After adjusting, you are going to knot it. You tie it firmly. Tie it firmly. So you adjust. The bow is ready. Adjust it. This is the back and this is the front side. This is the front side of the bow. So adjust it. The bow is ready. You can add applique of your choice to it to beautify it the more. No needle, no sewing. So remember to remove the pins. Remove the pins. Don't forget that. It's very important. So this is it. Let's put it on the mannequin to see how beautiful it is. You can place it at the front. The bow can be at the front and it can also be at the side. So you just tie it at the back. You can even use the handle to cover the whole head. Can you see how beautiful it is? Very simple to make. I believe you'll be able to make this be more beautiful than this. This is Fortitude Shammah Crafts 0813 97 84467. Don't forget to like, share and comment. We really appreciate our returning subscribers. God bless you for your support. You can put it at the side, just like what I'm doing now. Put it at the side. It can be tied at the side. Can you see it? Thank you for watching. Fortitude Shammah Crafts loves you. See you in next tutorial. Bye.